Greg, how about at Pure Storage? Once again, I think about Pure Storage. How does this fit into it? Well, there's an incredible amount of storage associated to healthcare. And of course, we know Pure Storage is way bigger than a storage company.
Absolutely. And once again, thanks for having me back again, Luke. Always great talking with you. So what's great about that is even the storage is in our name, our focus is around data and especially in healthcare, focusing on data lifecycle, right? Data lifecycle has always been a huge component of healthcare, whether it be record retention, accessibility, sharing of information across agencies. So what we found, and it's proven to be true, is that, agencies, especially in the medical industry, are going to be facing a paramount challenge. The amount of data that's being generated, duplicated, copy data management, and if you think of things like AI, that's more and more copies of data. How are they going to manage that data at scale and give a seamless, simplistic way to manage all that? So interesting stat I've heard and talking about is, the industry's kind of thought that we're going to be generating around 394 zettabytes of data by 2028. And right now, today, we are closer to zero than we are to that number. Right. So how are we going to be able to manage that at scale and give the same consistency of operations if I'm operating in the cloud, if I'm operating on-prem? Can I have the same experience for clinicians? Can I have the same access for medical records no matter where they are within their life cycle, if they're in service or they are retired or maybe they're family? How can they have that same experience no matter where they go? So it's really focused about automating and giving that same experience for data management. But storage is in the name. We do it through infrastructure, but our real value is simplifying operations.